Hi friends, this is Suraj from LuxMed Technology Center. We have the manufacturing unit in Ambala and today I am presenting you my new product ETO Sterilizer. This is an ETO Sterilizer and this is our whole facility for the manufacturing. We have the laser cutting machines, advanced laser cutting machine to cut up to 10 mm of the associates, green energy. We don't use any generator and the fossil fuel products, and this is all about our production and units. Different type of biosafety cabinet, laminar, oven incubator, BOD, CO2 incubator and tabletop autoclave we are manufacturing. Now today I am taking you for our new product, that is the ETO Sterilizer. I will explain about this ETO Sterilizer, what is this, and now then you just go through this. This control system works very beautifully in the system and also gives the best performance into testing. Built-in printer to build the printer output. Now I am coming to the internal construction. This is the standard manufacturing. This is SF304, 4 mm sheet of the manufacturing. This is get manufactured our in-house manufacturing unit. That is seamless gasThe. See, this is the seamless gasThe, and gasThe is totally tied with the whole laser cutted profile. Because this gasThe is too tight that it cannot take out in any of the pressure system. Inside you see here, this is the system available for the metal generation, because this is small size and this is used for the puncture system. Our puncture system is here. You just see from here, and this is the full vacuum. Inside chamber is completely seamless and have the operation that gives you the best performance in the case of the cleaning. Now I am closing this unit. This is all about the machine and also the just for the all. Now this system has the complete internal operation. This has the built-in 8 built-in programs. Now I am running a very fast program, that is a leakage test program. Leakage test program has been started, and now the vacuum goes into the downstairs, and it will go up to 25 pound, and then the next process will start. The vacuum time is very fast, within 5 to 8 minutes. See, the timing is at 12:08 minutes, and the vacuum is -4 and it's going towards the -25. Within 1 minute, the vacuum reached up to -10 pounds. The temperature set value is 40 because in the ETO sterilizer temperature requirement is 35 to 55 degrees Celsius and the pressure is minus 25. So it will reach at the level and then it will start. Once this pressure reach at the minus 25 and the vacuum level on the analog graph is goes beyond around 25 PSE vacuum level, this minus 25 and this you see the very accurate reading on the reading systems and our vacuum system is working perfectly. That all are getting recorded in our chart recorder, printers. This is all about the machine. The process is on. This is our other manufacturing unit. All team members. Upstairs we are manufacturing the table flame and refrigerators, CO2 incubator and other products. Once the vacuum arrive at minus 25, then our next cycle of the preheating will start. Preheating has been started. Here, preheating is started at the vacuum and we are maintaining the vacuum at minus 25. Once the temperature will achieve up to minus up to 40 degrees from 32 to 40, it will go on the ETO injection mode. We have used the silicone heater in whole chamber to maintain the very uniform temperature across the system. Once temperature achieved to 40 degrees, the ETO injection starts. The ETO injecting starts from this cyclic. The solenoid will start firing. The ETO sterilizer cycle is a continuous process. Here, see the cycle temperatures, preheating. Now the ETO sterilizer starts. For the testing purpose, we put only the ETO sterilizer time 1 minute. So once the ETO sterilizer time will be over, because this is a test program we run for the demo purpose, so it will run the ETO sterilizer for the set time. Here is the time is normally 6 to 8 hours, depends on the material. And once the time is over, the ETO sterilizer will go into the second mode. Here, we are maintaining the pressure at the analog as well as digital. Both temperature are the same. We have a very advanced control for the vacuum system. So it gives the complete uniformity on the vacuum. Now the cycle starts for the wash cycle. Wash cycle is in release. Once the release starts, it will release the system from here minus 25 and it will go to up to minus 5. Wash cycle 1, then wash cycle 2 and 3 and 5. And the total wash cycle includes the 5 steps that indicated here. Once it will go into the minus 5 pressure, then the second cycle will start for the again for the wash. This is the release cycle. After completion of this release cycle, pressure goes here. Once the pressure is going into the below 5, then the vacuum will start. The vacuum will go up to minus 20 on here also. Then again the release cycle will start from here. So this cycle will continue up to the next level. is 20. This is the third cycle will start, and again the release is started. This is the third vacuum cycle in the machine. Once the pressure goes below -5, again the vacuum will start and release will stop. All the printing in here. Data printing. The fourth cycle has been started to build the pressure. This is the fifth release cycle. After this release cycle, the clean process will start to take the inlet from the HEPA filter. The last releasing analog and digital vacuum control. Both digits are same in our system. Whole product is based on the advanced sterilization technology. This is our advanced sterilization methods. We use most of the parts in non-moving in the product because the moving motor and pumps creating a lot of problem in the field. So we are mostly working on the technology to adopt the non-moving part of the equipment. All 360 view of the equipment. Outside. Seamless SS304 design. Our all product based on the 100% indigenous technology. See our marks and logos on the products. We make the product under the Atmanirbhar program for Make in India. Listen. Our logo. Door handles. Branding system. Smart indications. This is the complete view of the product. Easy touchpad access. Electrically safe design. Long life switches. Front MCB gives the electrical protection, easy to turn on. At the end, all the air inlet is directly from the HEPA filter to get only the clean air into the chamber during the release cycles. HEPA filter is made in India only, and this is a very robust product that gives you the very long life, and also very easy to replace that HEPA filter from the chamber. This release system is on indicator, and the job over. The vacuum will slowly goes to the 0 level to enable us to open the door. At the end of the process, I'll just open the door. It's a dry run cycle to show you the whole feature of the product. process temperature. First start from the 0 to go up to 25 psi pressure. Getting ETO inject punch. ETO inject punch the multiple cycles and it takes time to punch and puncture the whole the tube successfully. Then ETO sterilization. This is I have set only 1 minute ETO sterilization. So one cycle has been displayed. After that wash cycle 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cycle in sterilization is over, and then the last is the job over and gives you the complete batch number on the products. So this is all about the output from the document, and this can you keep for the record. Once restart the machine, just press the escape button and the ETO sterilization will come into the normal.